It is increasing the bar of unemployment in India. Just like me, I am also pleased in my placement, but because of the corona, my placement was revoked. Friends, in early 18th century, the Industrial Revolution started. Then after three revolutions started. That is American Revolution, French Revolution and Russian Revolution. And when we talk about the core reason behind these revolution are the two reasons. That is poverty and another one is unemployment. And we all know that poverty rises because of unemployment only. So unemployment is a problem of concern. Is that topic of concern is that every country in this world is facing at present because of the COVID also. We have observed that because of the COVID, various youth who is passed out in 2020 and 21 are unemployed because their placement offer are revoked and they don't get placement because the opportunities is lower down. So it is increasing the bar of unemployment in India. Just like me, I am also pleased in my placement, but because of the corona, my placement was revoked, and it has happened to various of you and your friends. So it's time to reviving the whole thing. It's time to overcome this unemployment bar. The main reason and main problem concern is that we have a less purchasing power. Because of that, our economy is dipping day by day. And for the less purchasing power, in India, around 55% of the population is employed into the farming sector. And you haven't seen any farmer who have visited the mall or the showrooms of Adidas, Nike or Van Heusen. They are never visit. So the purchasing power is very less. So what we have to do, the government have to do, or also we can also do, to increase the earnings of a farmer. And these three farm rules which came to the India, which came by the government as a revolutionary in this field. So by this, the farmers' purchasing power and earning can be increased, and it is directly affecting the economy. And economy will be increased directly. The new job opportunities will be came into this India. And then, friends, the another thing is that this recent government is more inclined toward the privatization and disinvestment. By privatization and disinvestment, we will get money. So our government will invest those money into the infrastructural development, which will lead to the country's development, as well as these development work will give the new job opportunity to unemployed people. So by implementing these few steps, we can go forward. So what we can do right now? Is that we are using the social medias like Twitter, Instagram and various social media. So we can put forward these ideas by using the various hashtags that the concerned ministry and concerned government get to know about it, and they can implement these things. Thank you. If you like this, share further. Thank you.